In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new chart in QuickBooks 2026, step by step. Let's get started inside QuickBooks Online. Open your company in a web browser and sign in so you're on the main workspace. We'll begin by heading to the navigation on the left-hand side. Look for the Reports section in that sidebar and click it. This is where QuickBooks keeps a library of standard and management reports, and it's also where you can access tools to visualize your data. If your workspace looks a little different, don't worry. QuickBooks sometimes updates the layout, but the option for reports will still appear on the left. From the Reports area, open the Performance Center. This is the hub for creating visual charts that track the health of your business. Once you're in the Performance Center, look for the button that says Add New Chart. Go ahead and click it. This opens a guided setup panel that walks you through building a chart tailored to what you want to see. You'll first be asked, what do you want to track? This is where you choose the metric that matters most. Think about the business question you want answered frequently. Things like revenue trends, expenses by category, gross profit, or cash balance over time. Select the option that best aligns with your goal, then click it to move forward. Picking the right focus here saves time later because QuickBooks will pre-fill sensible defaults based on your choice. Next, click Continue to start shaping how the chart looks and what it includes. This is the Customize stage. Set your date range such as this month, last quarter, or a custom period. Decide how you want the data grouped by month, week, or day, and choose whether to compare to a previous period or year to show context. You can filter by accounts, customers, classes, or locations if you use them, and you can switch the visualization style between bar, line, or pie when available. Give your chart a clear name so you'll recognize it at a glance on the dashboard. A quick tip, match the accounting method here, cash or accrual, to whatever you use in your standard reports so your numbers reconcile cleanly. When everything looks good, click Add to Dashboard. QuickBooks will place your new chart onto the performance dashboard instantly. You'll see it alongside your other insights ready to monitor every time you sign in. If something doesn't look quite right, you can return to the chart and adjust filters or timeframes without rebuilding it from scratch. That's it. You've added a new chart in QuickBooks, customized to your needs, and pinned it where it can drive better, faster decisions.